The significance of this project for us was an opportunity to do another deal with Pure Development, a longtime repeat client of ours, as well as getting the opportunity to do a first deal with the Skjodt-Barrett Foods company. When Pure Development was searching for contractors to do this job, I think we were top of mind in the market. Being a local contractor, our expertise in cold storage really is what set us apart.
Pure Development was very confident based on ARCO's response package as well as our prior experience with ARCO that was something they could deliver on for sure.
We're very fortunate to be in a position where we're their first phone call when they need some expertise for a solution like this. Skjodt-Barrett is a company that's rapidly been growing. The demand in their consumer base has really skyrocketed the last 3 years. They had a need to be able to meet that demand with a larger facility to keep up with their customers.
For Skjodt-Barrett, the expansion allows them to grow their business. They were out of space in the existing facility and much needed this space to expand their business and continue to grow.
So for Skjodt-Barrett's operations, this facility, more than doubles their square footage and their footprint. It gives them some great flexibility to expand their existing lines and operations as well as bring new equipment in and kind of provide them with a flexible space that they can grow into. As you can see, they're kind of growing into this space pretty quickly.
What was attractive about it was that it was a nice sizable expansion to the building with a food grade component as well as cold storage, which is something that we do a lot of and we're always very attracted to those opportunities.
We saw very early on that ARCO's detailed procedures when it came to budget management and change management really provided all parties that cost certainty from the very start of construction all the way through to completion.
This was a fast-track design-build project. We had a schedule where we were going to be breaking ground before design was complete, so we really had to be on our game to meet those timelines and finish design while we're already breaking ground in the field.
I think one of the most critical aspects to an expansion project like this is really ARCO's ability to coordinate with the tenant and really minimize the impact of construction to these existing operations.
We treat our customers with great customer service. They know we're going to do what we say we're going to do. At the end of the day, things are never going to be perfect, but we're always going to make them right, and we're not walking away until they are.
I'm really proud of our team. We delivered a Class A industrial facility to our client and the tenant on time and under budget, and that's always great. But at the end of the day, we just have one main goal, and that's to create raving fans.
When it comes to execution, that's when you see that level of excellence, and I think it flowed right down through ARCO, from the top down.
I would definitely recommend working with ARCO Design Build. Really for us, it came down to our confidence in having a team member be able to integrate all the momentum that we had built with the client early on and ultimately deliver that into something physical here that met the vision of the client's needs. So that was something ARCO definitely delivered on and would be confident they'd be able to deliver on in the future as well.